with very affordable steps and a very little open pores, like opening. Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about an easy peasy cleanup at home. Very easy steps with very affordable products and also very effective. So to know more about this, let's dive right into the video. So I have nothing on my face, no makeup. So let's begin with the first step. For first step, you have to take a towel like this and dip it into a hot water. So and once you dip it into it, and you have to just do it like this. This helps in opening your pores so that it will be very effective to start off with the process. So this is one of the main steps that you have to do. Just take this towel, cotton towel, and then take a bowl or something and just dip it into hot water and then just do like that. So the first step is to cleanse your face. For cleansing my face, I'm using the NIVEA Total Face Up Cleanup. This I've already mentioned in my previous video. If you haven't seen, you guys can check it out, and also I'll put it in the cards below. I'm taking a little bit and I'm going to use this all over my face. I'm applying this in a circular motion. This helps in increasing your blood circulation and also gives it fine results for your appropriate skin. This is suitable for all skin types and really effective for your skin. This also acts as a cleanser, face mask, scrub, and overall improvement for your skin texture. So just apply it in circular motion. Do this for around 60 seconds. So I've just cleansed my face. Now for the second step, I'm using a face mask. For face mask, I'm using the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Fruit Face Mask. I got a lot of negative comments about this face mask on YouTube and here there on Instagram, but this is an okayish product. Not that highly expected product, not the least expected product. This is an okay product, but what happens is that when I start applying this mask, I tend to get little tingling all over my face. So I'm applying this mask evenly all over my face. As I told you, this mask, produces little tingling all over your face. It might, affect certain sensitive skin people, but this tells that it is for all skin types. But I don't know. For my skin, that is for normal skin. Mine is like normal skin, and it's sometimes combination skin depending upon the seasons. So it is an okay product for me. I don't see anything causing harmness to my skin. But this is an okay product. That for that perfect cleanup, this is the okay product. And don't expect that whitish skin or your deep pigmentation or all this stuff. So yeah, just apply it all over and leave it for around 20 minutes. My skin really looks good for these two steps only, and it looks very fresh and it looks like really squeaky clean. Now the third step is to lock up all these process. For that, you need to apply a moisturizer. For moisturizing cream, I'm using the Oriflame Sweden Essential Fairness 5-in-1 cream. This is actually not a fairness cream, but it really works as a good moisturizing cream. So I'm taking a little bit and applying it all over my face to pack up all this process that I did all afore. And don't forget to apply on your under eye also, because your under eyes try to dry a lot. So concentrate more on your under eye and also on your cheeks. Don't forget to apply it on your neck also. So yeah, just do it and apply evenly all over your face and neck. So I just moisturize my face. My skin looks really very hydrated, really very plumped, and really very supple. You guys can also see. So yeah, these were the 3 steps. Very easy, very affordable, and also very simple. That is the cleansing, face mask, and moisturizing. So yeah, try to follow this routine at least weekly 3 times so you guys can see better results. So if you all like this video, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell on. Until see you all in the next video. Bye.